आई लुक एट अगर मेरे 3 सीन भी हैं अगर शो में और वो 3 सीन बहुत बढ़िया है तो ही मैं आई थिंक आई गो अहेड विद द प्रोजेक्ट. सो आई डोंट वांट टू इन्फ्लुएंस समथिंग दैट आई एम नॉट. आई वुड नॉट लाइक इवन द ब्रांड्स दैट आई प्रमोट आर I always use them. I think there is always a big responsibility when you have a certain amount of followers and when you know you're aware that people will do what you are also doing. मतलब मैं जब सीन करती हूँ मैं जाके वापस अपना प्लेबैक नहीं देखती बिल्कुल. मुझे लगता है अगर डायरेक्टर को सही लगा है तो ये बस सही लगा होगा.
कभी अलविदा ना कहना में एक नन्हे कलाकार का किरदार निभाने के बाद अब इतने सालों के बाद इतने सारे डिफरेंट रोल्स निभाने के बाद एहसास चन्ना बन चुकी है वाकई में क्वाइट द इन्फ्लुएंसर. एंड कहना सही होगा that the girl indeed has owned up to whatever she has done. well, आज मेरे साथ एहसास जुड़ने वाली हैं और वो करेंगे बात अपनी न्यू सीरीज क्लच के बारे में, द गेमिंग कल्चर के बारे में, व्हाट मेड हर चूज अ कैरेक्टर एंड व्हाट नॉट इन टुडेस चैट सेशन विद मी विशाखा पंडित. तो आइए चलिए करते हैं एहसास का स्वागत आज के हमारे इस कैंडिड चैट सेशन में.
तो सिर्फ सरवाइव करना काफी नहीं.
ये वीडियो गेम्स कोई असली स्पोर्ट नहीं. यू आर अ बैडमिंटन प्लेयर फर्स्ट.
इतना टाइम स्पेंड किया है, we've been through so much together. तो उसने अब तुम लोग फैमिली बन गए.
Cheers! Cheers! Well, I would say, Asaf, firstly, welcome to Telly Chakkar, and the trailer looks really very thrilling. I enjoyed watching it. How was your experience with it?
Hi, it was lovely. Actually, I was very, very excited for this particular show because it's very different from everything that I've done before. It's right there. It's the first esports web series, and I get to play a lot of, I got to game a lot. It's very different from anything I've done before, and I've also played a sports person in the show, which is again very different. I've never done that in my life, and personally, I'm very away from sports. So being able to play something that I would not imagine doing it in real life is obviously something that I was very excited about. When I watched the trailer, it looked amazing. I think it's edited very well. It's a very well done trailer. I feel like, it says a lot, but yet it doesn't reveal too much. So I think it was just perfect. It was very overwhelming. I'm very excited.
But I would love to know here one thing that, इससे पहले क्या आपको गेमिंग में इंटरेस्ट था? Even before you said yes for the web series or?
Yes, बिल्कुल. मैं PUBG बहुत खेला करती थी. जब PUBG बैन नहीं हुआ था उसके पहले मैं बहुत खेलती थी PUBG. I was addicted to that game. And then when it got banned and everything, तब मेरा आधी जान हट गया था. फिर जब ये शो आया, I was very excited. तो फिर तब हम पहले COD के साथ इसको हम कंटिन्यू करने वाले थे. फिर बैटल ग्राउंड आ गया था इंडिया में वापस. So then we changed to बैटल ग्राउंड. तो मुझे आता था बेसिक्स और मैं काफी ढंग से खेल भी लेती थी. So even when I remember I was at office and I met Aditi, spoke to her and she told me कि ऐसा एक हम gaming पे show बना रहे हैं, sports पे show बना रहे हैं, would you like to be a part of it? Would you like to know about it, read about it? And I was like yes, and it's also because I wanted to work with Dice Media for a very long time, and it's my first project with them. So there were a lot of reasons. Also like Ruchir is directing the show, तो फिर वो भी एक reason था और बहुत से reasons थे. तो everything I think fell into place, and I had a lot of fun shooting it also. So yeah.
Okay, in that regards, I would love to know that because अगर आपका मैं body of work देखूंगी, so I would say you have done a variety. आपने काफी variety काम किया हुआ है, but then you are choosy, and I think your luck favors, you get touch with good projects, and then you obviously do your work very well, so you get more good projects. But then as an actor, what kind of roles really, really excite you? Like, what do you look out into a role before you say a yes for it?
Definitely the script is something that I like. I really don't care if my part is a lot in the show or it's very less. That's not the first thing that I look at. I look at अगर मेरे 3 सीन भी हैं अगर शो में और वो 3 सीन बहुत बढ़िया हैं तो ही मैं I think I go ahead with the project and I read the script, and I always try that even if so all the shows that I've done in the past are very very teenage drama, very college hostel drama, but at the same time I've always tried that even though it is the same concept, the same universe, I always try my character to be different from the one that I've done before. So I think the character, the way she is, and everything matters, and which is why even Clutch is a very special show because it's not the college drama. So I think अभी वो break करने के लिए मैं अब जो मैं scripts देख रही हूँ, अब जो मैं roles देख रही हूँ, वो मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि वो उन सबसे डिफरेंट हो जो मैं ऑलरेडी बहुत कर चुकी हूँ.
On that note, I would love to know here that your fans are somebody who have supported you, and you being like not only an actress but also an influencer because they follow each and everything that you really do. Do you sometimes feel pressurized about okay, अगर मैं ये डालूंगी उनका reaction क्या होगा? Will they take it? मतलब while posting or maybe while saying something, do you have that pressure of being always correct because they might follow you?
I always try to be myself on social media. This is one funda that I mean, I would love for people to see the real me and love me and accept me for who I am. I don't want to, like you said, I might influence a lot of people. So I don't want to influence something that I'm not. I would not, like even the brands that I promote I always use them. So if I'm using like a makeup product, I make sure that I actually use it. I know how it is. So these things I always keep in mind. When it comes to other things, I think there is always a big responsibility when you have a certain amount of followers and when you know you're aware that people will do what you are also doing. So that responsibility is there on me. And I wouldn't say there's a lot of pressure, but I have learned it. I mean, I think it's been a few years. I've also made a few mistakes. I've said problematic things and I've realized. So I think I'm still learning. I'm still figuring out the whole social media thing. But I feel like I've understood a little bit that क्या नहीं बोलना है, क्या बोलना है, कैसे present करना है. But I think the core thing is just to be myself.
On the same note, you talked about your co-stars. How was actually the bonding with them? Because obviously not everyone was a gamer out there, and you guys were trying your hand and doing all that, you know, R&D वगैरह करके पूरा gaming session चल रहा था. So उनके साथ bonding कैसी थी?
So when we got on board, everybody got on board. So the casting was locked. तो हमने शुरुआत एक्चुअली जूम से की थी बहुत, क्योंकि सेकेंड वेव चल रहा था और लॉकडाउन था बॉम्बे में, तो हम मिल नहीं पाए. तो आई थिंक द फर्स्ट फ्यू इंटरेक्शंस वर ऑन जूम एंड तब इतना हमें समझ में नहीं आया कि कैसा है बॉन्ड और क्या हो रहा है. बट आई थिंक द फर्स्ट टाइम वी ऑल मेट वाज अगेन फॉर अ रीडिंग एंड अ वर्कशॉप एंड इट वाज नाइस. I was a little worried and nervous because I'm the only girl in the cast and all of them are boys. So I was a little worried कि maybe they will not be as comfortable or they will like, वो कहीं ना कहीं वो होता है ना कि अरे लड़की है तो हम वो लड़के जो एक उनका बॉन्ड होता है वो
गैंग बना के थोड़ा साइड कर दिया.
हाँ, मैं वो थी, पर लकीली ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ. आई जस्ट बिकेम वन ऑफ देम. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं ज्यादा लौंडा हूँ सबसे. मैंने बहुत अच्छे दोस्त बना लिए हैं. हमारा जो बॉन्ड स्टार्ट हुआ था वो एक्चुअली गेम खेल के हुआ था. सो वी ऑल वर प्लेइंग अ COD का गेम एंड दैट एक्चुअली ब्रोक दैट वॉल, दैट ब्रोक दैट you know that distance and everything. So once we played the game, because when you're actually playing, you know, you become yourself. You start yelling or you start cursing somebody or anything. So that came in the picture. I think that game basically changed a lot of our bond. And then we spent so much time together. We used to always eat together, sit together. We had made another WhatsApp group all together where we used to like chatting and gossiping and stuff like that. तो काफी सभी मेरे इनफैक्ट काफी अच्छे दोस्त होते हैं.
But अगर मैं आपके कैरेक्टर की बात करूं, because it's not only gaming, it's actually somebody who's had a badminton career and you know she does not want that career and she wants to become a gamer for that matter. So उसके लिए कोई special preparations थी जो आपको करनी पड़ी for your own पूरा character graph?
मैंने जैसे कि कहा कि मैं स्पोर्ट्स से हमेशा से दूर रही थी, तो बैडमिंटन वाज समथिंग दैट लकीली आई हैड प्लेड विद माय फ्रेंड्स. तो वो प्रोफेशनली नहीं कभी खेला, तो मतलब ऐसे ही टाइम पास के लिए खेला करती थी. तो बेसिक्स तो थे, मुझे अंडरस्टूड थे. और मेरे जो बैडमिंटन की चीज थे उसके एक दिन पहले मैंने काफी प्रैक्टिस की थी बैडमिंटन की. तो वही था एक. और थोड़ी ट्रिकी चीजें थी व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्लेइंग द गेम. तो जैसे हम अगर सीन्स में हम खेल रहे हैं तो हम एक्चुअली खेल नहीं रहे होते थे, हम ग्रीन स्क्रीन पे एक्टिंग कर रहे होते थे. तो वो थोड़ा ट्रिकी था टू गेट लाइक द होल्ड ऑफ दैट, यू नो, वही इंटेंसिटी, वो हैंड मूवमेंट. कई बार आप जब एक्टिंग कर रहे हो खेलने की तो आप यू टेंड टू ओवर एक्ट, यू टेंड टू डू दिस, यू डू दिस, यू डू दिस, व्हेन व्हिच वी एक्चुअली डोंट डू व्हेन वी आर प्लेइंग, स्पेशली विद बैटल ग्राउंड. तो कई बार ऐसा होता था कि हम टेक के बीच में ऐसे ऐसे कर लेते थे, तो फिर वो रीटेक होता था. हमको समझाया जाता था कि हम बॉडी इतना मूव नहीं करते, हम सिर्फ फिंगर्स के साथ, थम्स के साथ खेलते हैं. तो ये सारी चीजें थी जो हमने इस पे काम किया और बहुत रीडिंग, बहुत वर्कशॉप्स ऑलरेडी हो चुकी.
Okay, the last thing I would love to know here before I jump to the final part of it, you being an actor, are you like a big critic of your own work or are you like a director's actor जो जैसा डायरेक्टर बोलता है आप वैसा कर देती हैं and you don't criticize your work? What is it like?
I think I'm never satisfied with my work when it comes to anything. But yes, I'm a director's actor. I don't go back and see a playback. मतलब मैं जब सीन करती हूँ मैं जाके वापस अपना प्लेबैक नहीं देखती, बिल्कुल. मुझे लगता है अगर डायरेक्टर को सही लगा है तो ये बस सही लगा होगा. तो जो डायरेक्टर बोलता है मैं वही करती हूँ. मेरा आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव बीन डूइंग बचपन से, और एंड इट हैज वर्क वेरी वेल. सो एंड इट्स वेरी इजी एंड मतलब आई एम ऑलवेज इम्प्रोवाइजिंग ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम। ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं सिर्फ एक बैल की तरह बस ऐसे ही करती रहती हूँ, मेरा अपना भी इनपुट बहुत कुछ होता है कई बार, पर आई एम ऑलवेज अ डायरेक्टर्स एक्टर एंड आई वॉच माई स्टफ later when it comes out. I never watch first cuts or anything. I watch it like with everybody, with the audience. And I sit with my mother and watch. So I think my mother is the biggest critic I have. And she gives me all the feedback. She's the best when it comes. And she's the one who taught me acting. And she's, groomed me when it comes to becoming an actor. So yeah, I do that. But I am never satisfied, never happy with my work. I think the moment you start becoming satisfied, you lose. So that's something that I truly believe.
Any parting
No
words
problem.
for your fans out there, Asas, who are gonna watch your series, and I'm sure they're gonna love the series also. Any future projects?
Yes.
What's in lineup?
My lineup is actually, so I just had a very crazy release called Kota Factory on Netflix, which is doing very well. And that is there. And there's this show called Interns, which is going on. So I'm shooting for that. And then there's another show which will come in 2022 beginning, which is a Lionsgate show, which is directed by Akash Khurana. So that is going to happen. Baki, so I would love everybody to watch Clutch because it's a very different show and this concept has never been introduced in India. And you will get to know a lot about esports. For people who are not into gaming will also enjoy it because it's not just about gaming. It's about friendships. It's about hard work. It's about doing what you want, following your passion. So these things, so people who are not gamers will also relate to the show because of a lot of other aspects. So I think देखना चाहिए अपनी family के साथ देखो. It's a fun show. It's 5 episodes. You can. It's going to. I think it's a weekly release. Yeah, so I'm just very excited. Please go and watch that.
Well, I wish you all the luck and thank you so much for joining here at Telechakkar with me here and all the best. That's what I can say.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching today's chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit. जहाँ आज मेरी मेहमान थी एहसास चन्ना. I really hope that you guys will love watching this series as much as Ehsaas has loved shooting for it and also expressing the kind of role that she would love to play in the near future also. Until then, this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off for now. You stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates about the tele world.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.